Hey there folks, it's Bob. So I wanted to show you guys something real quick. I got my first aid kit, and there's spring and summer's around. Well, we're in spring right now, but there's two items that I put into my first aid kit around this time of the year. If you are allergic to spider bites, or you've gotten bitten by a spider, you know it kind of sucks. And here's what I want to show you. Here's one item that I add to my first aid kit, and that is a pure copper coin. This is 0.999 copper. You can get these for about $5. Pennies, U.S. pennies now are not copper, so you'd want to get one before 1968. But you can just go online to like Provident Metal or someplace like that. Where did I get this one from? I got it from, providentmetals.com. All right, and they're a few bucks. Put one of those in your first aid kit. If you tape that to a spider bite, it'll suck all the nastiness out of your wound, and it'll make it so that spider bite doesn't swell up really bad. The other thing is if you're around areas with scorpions, or you get stung by wasps, bees, mosquito bites, things like that, chewing tobacco. Get non-flavored long cut. I don't chew tobacco myself, but non-flavored long cut. And if it dries out, just wet it and bandage it to the bee sting or mosquito bite, and it will actually help take the nastiness out and take the swelling down. All right, just a couple tips to put in your first aid kit. Take care.